Welcome to Windows 2000, the operating system made by Microsoft, released to the public in February 2000s. As I said in the previous video, this thing was meant to run Windows 2000, and so here it is. Well, except this thing still has its Windows XP sticker. So if you hear something blowing, it's the fan, not me this time. Anyways, why are we on Windows 2000? Well, that's because I want to show you one thing. You can browse the modern internet on Windows 2000. And today I'm going to prove it using Internet Explorer. Wow, that's not modern. Give me the modern site. You're about to view a page over a secure connection. The page cannot be displayed. I'm guessing Internet Explorer will not work with modern web pages. Actually, is there a website that works on Internet Explorer? Like, I've heard of FrogFind. How about that? Yep, there's FrogFind. Is this really a modern web page? Let's search HTTP or something like that. Well, you send information to the internet. It might be possible for others to see that information. Okay. And it doesn't search. That's weird, because that's just supposed to work. You know what many users Internet Explorer for nowadays? It was to download another browser. So, let's do so by going to google.com. Aw, dang it, now it wants me to update my browser. It says it in French, so let me fix that. There we go. Now you can read. What about Microsoft Bing? Nope, same Bing. No, I don't know how to change the language of Bing, so it's going to remain in French and you'll just struggle to understand what it says. But I'm pretty sure you can guess it says that your browser is no longer supported. html.duckduckgo.com. Uh-oh. Oh, it actually works? Interesting. The browser is now supported. Please visit Lite. Huh, that's even more interesting. I have never seen that before. Anyways, let's do what I said earlier. Find a different browser. Firefox. Oh my god. Let's get an old version because they're running Windows 2000. I don't believe the latest version of Firefox works on Windows 2000. Oh wow, that scrolls slowly. Why is it like this? I believe the last version of Firefox to work on Windows 2000 is Firefox version 10. ENUS EXE, and it tells me what to do with it. Save. We're saving it to the downloads folder. Alright, we're downloading. It's done. Now let's open. Extracting. Yes, welcome to Mozilla Firefox Setup Wizard. Standard. Make default. Firefox. It's already done. It did it in like 2 seconds. Alright, to open Firefox. Import from Internet Explorer? Nah, it's not like there's anything useful there. Oh, this is a great start. The connection is untrusted. You have asked Firefox, no I didn't, to connect securely to Mozilla.org. But we can't confirm that your connection is secure. What if you take the risk? Okay, now it just throws you into a different web page and it asks you the exact same thing. Okay, so now it's thinking of, oh, well, this is interesting. Firefox is no longer supported on Windows 8.1 and below. Yeah, I'm not surprised. That one, Firefox ESR, I already did that. Okay, but take a look at this page. Have you seen this before? I sure did. Alright, let's see if Google works on this web browser. .com, and it tells you the exact same thing. Bing, please work. It works! I was expecting it to not work, but it works. Well, sort of. Let's see if we can search something. Windows 2. No, I said 2000. It actually searches. Okay. Wikipedia, TurboWarp. What is that? Microsoft Fandom Wiki. Some results has been removed. Why? Go to the French Wikipedia. Fail. What about archive.org? Fail. I think it's Bing the problem because when you click on the link, it doesn't directly bring you to that website. It just does this, which for some reason throws an SSL error. Let's try actually going to Wikipedia. Fail. What about archive.org? It looks like it loaded, but it's showing nothing. What about old Reddit? Fail. Give me a browser for Windows 2000. Okay, first, Google Chrome. Okay, let's try downloading Google Chrome. Nope, not possible. Opera, complete with built-in AI. Nope. Chameleon, installer for Windows 2000. Now I have heard of Chameleon working on Windows 2000 before. I tried it myself earlier and it didn't work. It turns out it seems to have used the wrong version of Chameleon. This one is made specifically for Windows 2000, though they say it's an unstable port. Okay then, let's try it. Wow. So it turns out it goes to SourceForge, which I don't think would work without HTTP. Oh, never mind. It tries to work, but because of Cloudflare, it doesn't. Alright, pretend I managed to download it. Let's install it now. Yes. Agree. Portable? No. Next. Stuff. Wait, why is it... Set up will install Chameleon in the following. Why in this folder? Completed. Okay. Close. And Chameleon is on the desktop. Oh, it actually works. Cool. Okay, well, now does Google want to work? Because my browser should be very new and updated. Yes! Google is available in English. No, it's not. Okay, now it's in English. Let's do something. What should I search? Oh, I know. Wikipedia. I don't know. Wikipedia. Alright, Wikipedia. Does it load? It better load. It loads! Thank you for donating recently. Huh, I don't remember donating. Let's search Windows. What will it bring me? Oh, okay, so it'll bring me Microsoft Windows. Windows is a proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft. Okay, at least the article is readable. At least it's not lagging. Look, it's Windows 2000. And the support, July 13, 2010. Yeah, I could have guessed. Turns out Windows 2000 got its own article. So it was released to manufacturing in December 1999 before being released publicly in February 2000. Its final release is Service Pack 4 update roll-up, and what this means, I don't know. Wait, it came with games installed? Huh, it did came with games installed. What is resell? That does nothing, does it? Oh, okay, never mind. Why is it following me? Minimum requirements. A Pentium at 133 MHz. 32 megabytes of memory RAM. Except if you're using server, it's 128 megabyte. Free space, a gigabyte. 2 gigabyte per server. Graphics, a monitor that's capable of VGA and 800, 600. And a keyboard and mouse. Well, glad we have a keyboard and a mouse. Oh yeah, by the way, you can tell we're way over the recommended specs. 1500 megahertz. And why does it show in kilobytes? Huh, apparently the source code was leaked. Is it true? Oh, this is officially from Microsoft, so this must be true. Statement from Microsoft regarding illegal posting of Windows 2000 source code. This was back in 2004. Okay, enough reading the article. What if we tried watching YouTube on this thing? I don't think YouTube is loading. Wait, YouTube has a YouTube channel? How about Discord? Is it even going to work? Wow, this site looks just as pretty. Oh, it's not smooth. There's gotta be something you can browse on Windows 2000. Like, how about Reddit? Okay, so Reddit tries its best to load, but this is the end result. Well, this is why you always use the old Reddit. Oh wow, it actually works. Okay. Actually, that reminds me, 4chan. 4chan is one of those sites that also works on old browsers as well, except it doesn't because it's trying to check if the site connection is secure, but it can't. It just doesn't work. Okay, that's it. I'm buying a MacBook. Let me go to Apple's website. Oh wow, the website is just as beautiful. College sorted. When are you talking about college? It's August. No pictures. I want a Mac, I guess? I don't know. Mac. Explore the lineup. Why Apple is the best place to shop Mac. Because it's Apple? I don't know. Get to know Mac. Oh wow, it's so broken. Switch to Mac. How about Amazon? Amazon looks like it's not doing anything. Well, if Amazon isn't going to work, how about eBay? Looks like it's trying to load. Oh, it is indeed loading. Wow, I haven't gone to eBay in a long time. Wow, and the WD Black NVMe SSD at $139.99. What even is the specs of this SSD? It tries to say 1 terabyte, but like... Also, official SanDisk store? SanDisk Technologies? What? I thought this was a WD. Would Facebook even work? Because Facebook probably has a reputation of working on old devices. Because apparently people don't upgrade the devices. I don't know, man. Doesn't seem like Facebook is loading. I just tapped C and ChatGPT is the first to show up. This got me thinking, does ChatGPT even work here? Looks like it's going to work. Ask anything. Wait, is this going to work? Hello? No, pressing space does not seem to do anything. Google's tried so hard to make you use Gemini, so how about we use that instead? Oh, wow. That was not expected. Some of you have a keen eye may have spotted MyPal. For those wondering what MyPal is, well, this is a company that is a surprise to you, but MyPal is also a browser, which is a fork of Firefox. Well, actually, this version is not really a fork of Firefox. This is the lost version of MyPal because it was taken down for violating the MPL license. This is a fork of Paymoon, actually, and I still have it for some reason. Does it work better than Chameleon? Switch to English, reject, and we've actually changed the language. Let's actually try to go to Amazon for realsies because, well, last time I tried, it loaded nothing, and now let's try to load. And, oh my gosh, it actually works. I need a new PC. New PC. I tapped something. Oh wow, it's taking so long. I think it's being stressed out. Oh yeah, it's being stressed out because at the same time I'm typing, it tries to show the result, and that's slowing the heck out of this computer. Oh wow, new beautiful PCs for 1,000 euros. I don't know about the prices. I don't really check on these, so I don't know if the prices are reasonable. Oh, brand new Tel Tower at 349 euros. This one doesn't even show the price. Oh, is it this one? Samsung. How about Samsung? Ooh, official site. Samsung.com. What will you see on Samsung.com? Okay, so my first impression on this site is that I'm seeing a Galaxy Z Fold built in with Galaxy AI. Is it me or the Samsung logo looks like a Skype logo? Actually, does Apple's website load properly now? Oh, it looks like it. Guys, the same thing over and over again. Except it's properly formatted. Well, except the button seems small. iPhone. Okay, we're the iPhone. We managed to load at least one image, and that's it. Okay, how about Mac? Uh-oh, this one seems to have the same formatting problem. With those big buttons. Get to know Mac. Yeah, never mind. It's gonna be a better browser. I don't know. New Moon? Why does it bring me to Pale Moon? Just give me New Moon. There we go. Welcome to New Moon, aka Pale Moon for targeting XP. Oh, it's for XP, not 2000. Not a valid Win32 application. Chameleon wasn't closed properly. Do you want to resume your last session? No. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. I ran out of websites to visit. If you have more websites that I should visit, you can tell me in the comments. But for now, I'm just gonna stop here. So now we know the answer to the question. Can you browse modern internet on Windows 2000? Barely. Is it worth it? Probably not. Do I recommend it? Well, obviously no. Especially if you're doing it on error-appropriate hardware instead of a virtual machine. Because on a virtual machine, it's probably on a newer PC, and it'll probably be much faster than this thing, which is like a Pentium 4. Alright, I think I'm done with this computer. Shut down.